Welcome to GSL City 1720 Boat Trail, southwest of Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on this beautiful brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. The LTZ is powered by the 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to the brand new 10-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of the truck, we have the power windows, power folding tow mirrors, memory seating and power locks, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and lighting options. We do have the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with forward collision warning, cruise control, audio controls on the other side, 13 kilometers on the truck, brand new, column shifter with manual gearing, and then we have our push-button ignition, large 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, audio control, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto in there. We do have dual-zone climate control as well, heated and ventilated seats, parking sensors, lane keep assist, auto stop start. All the windows can go down with one click of a button as well on those hot days. We do have integrated trailer braking system, wireless charging, dual glove box locking bottom, and Bose audio equipment throughout. And then our black leather heated and ventilated LTZ seats. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the LTZ Silverado, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package there, the Bridgestone Dueler AT tires, a little more of an aggressive tread, looks really well. The truck, chrome door handles, window trim, and the tow mirrors as well. We do have keyless entry, remote start, blind spot detection. This is the long bed as well on the Silverado. May notice a little bit of a longer truck there. Goes good with the tow mirrors. Chrome bumpers, dual chrome exhaust tips, parking sensors, and a trailer tow hitch. Looking at the interior here, our leather 60/40 split. Both the seats do fold up for a little extra storage room there. We have heated seats and car seat ready as well, both the ends. In-seat storage, rear sliding window with defrost, extra headroom, LED lighting, USB charging ports, and the heated seat buttons. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado. If this is your next luxury pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.